As open interest in Bitcoin hits record highs, will this be the perfect recipe for an absolutely explosive eruption like eating hot dogs from 7-Eleven? And with Bitcoin continuing to test the top of this 2-month-long potential bust-out pumpage pattern, as well as testing my patience, what comes next? I'm your host, Caroline Kumskis, and strap on and then strap on again, because this is about to be big. So you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and these absolutely time-sensitive alerts. Make sure to drop your comment below. Absolutely very big. If you guys are interested in staking with our pool to earn rewards, any other bonuses, or securing your crypto, make sure to check out the stuff below. I have one Twitter, one Instagram. The rest are all fake accounts, scam accounts, and there's been a lot of new ones for some reason over the last 24 hours. So never send anyone your crypto. And without any further ado, let's pump on in. Absolutely very big. So here we are right now with Bitcoin on day number 32 of just trading in between 47 and like 50K. For like the past over a month, we've been trading in what is to be considered potentially the most boring bone zone of all time. Absolutely disgraceful. So before we jump into this as well with Bitcoin's price, open interest potentially hinting at finally we could see a reversal. And as well, like as we mentioned in the last video, this cross, very similar with the 21 going with the 200-day moving average, is and has been in the past a very good indication that things are about to initiate a massive switcheroo. But here we have Bitcoin open interest matching record high amid predictions of Bitcoin price fireworks this month. Absolutely very big. Bitcoin is in line for explosive price action as the derivatives market returns to form, a new forecast states in 2022. Vettel Lund, an analyst at Arcane Research, confirmed Bitcoin denominated open interest, OI, had returned to all-time highs seen in November. Bitcoin futures and options have taken a beating during the end of this BTC USD retracement, or at the end of the year during this retracement. But as the holiday period ended, consensus began to form around a major comeback here. So here we have open interest at the levels that it was the third week of November when Bitcoin hit 69, nice, thousand US dollars. Unlike then though, funding rates are currently neutral, which is a foundational thing for forming a volatile move. Open interest very high relative to market cap. Doubt we see it going beyond the final week of this month without fireworks, wrote Lund here. Absolutely moon juice, hopium, 100%. I love it. Absolutely very big. So again, as we see here, guys, we're absolutely still trading below, just right at the point of control of the last couple of months now, like the last 5 or 6 months, the last half of 2021, which is right at about 47K, which as you can see is absolutely at this point the mega bone zone. I mean, will we ever escape this? Or will Bitcoin stay around 47,000 for the rest of eternity? That's the question. But if we take a look, I mean, here technically I haven't moved these lines. I'm gonna have to extend this soon if we just keep going out. But I haven't moved this line in like, I don't know, 3-4 weeks, and we're still just trading right here. We haven't done much. We're still technically above this, but we're below all of these key moving averages still. So that's on the flip side, that's not the best, but we're still above this, which is fine. I mean, we're still holding 47K, which is pretty big. Still very likely, in my opinion, that 42K was the bottom. But yeah, I mean, looking on this chart, I'm actually going to have to extend this weekly now since we're in a new year. I had this to end at the end of 2021, and 2021 ended. So now we're flowing out into 2022 here. And as you can see, we have a weekly candle below the 21-week and below the 50-week moving average. So this week is critical. We need an absolute bounce. And if we don't get one, I don't see how this doesn't just continue dumping for a couple more weeks, right? If we don't get one very, very soon. The 1-hour chart tells you everything you need to know. Just absolute sideways for the past 32 days. This was the 42K bottom right here. And my goodness, no wonder crypto is boring. This literally nothing has happened. Absolutely nothing with Bitcoin. If we take a look at, I mean, some of these altcoins still kind of just trudging along here. SPX still kind of just facing the same resistance. Did DXY do anything? Had a little bit of a bounce yesterday off the 50-day moving average, but overall, we're just waiting for that mega bounce, which could come at any second. That's what she said. Let's get a new channel. Make sure to miss absolutely time-sensitive alerts as well, guys. Never fall victim to any of the scammers out there pretending to be all of the different Twitter and YouTube people. Nobody on Twitter or YouTube reaches out to people to send them crypto and you'll get a certain amount back. That's a scam. If you're just getting bonuses or joining our pool to stake and earn rewards or anything like that, average APY is around 5%. Pool's been doing really good, even though it's only sitting around 2,000,008, I think. But the rewards have been really good. The luck is really good. The uptime is insane. The people that I have running it are doing an excellent job with it. So overall, for our size, I think it's performing amazing. But yeah, without any further ado, that's it for me.